In a professional kitchen, measurements and quantities play a very important role. Chefs and kitchen staff must measure ingredients carefully to make sure the food tastes consistent and meets the required standards. Even a small mistake in measurement can change the flavor, texture, or appearance of a dish. There are different units of measurement used in cooking. For dry and solid ingredients such as flour, sugar, rice, and meat, cooks usually use grams or kilograms. For example, a recipe may require 250 grams of flour or 500 grams of chicken. These measurements help ensure that the balance of ingredients is correct. Chefs often use a digital scale to measure these ingredients accurately. Liquids are usually measured in liters or milliliters. Common liquids in the kitchen include water, milk, oil, and stock. A soup recipe may need 1 liter of water, while a sauce might only need 200 milliliters of cream. Measuring cups and measuring jugs are commonly used to measure liquids. Using the correct amount of liquid helps control the thickness and taste of a dish. Small quantities of ingredients, especially spices and seasonings, are measured using teaspoons or tablespoons. For example, a recipe may ask for 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, or half a teaspoon of pepper. These small measurements are very important because spices can strongly affect the flavor of food. Too much salt or spice can ruin a dish. In professional kitchens, chefs also need to understand why accurate measurement is important. When cooking for many people, the quantities must be increased correctly. If a recipe is doubled, all the measurements must be doubled as well. For example, if a recipe needs 100 grams of sugar, then 200 grams are needed when cooking double portions. Good measurement skills also help reduce food waste. When ingredients are measured correctly, there is less chance of using too much or too little. This helps the kitchen save money and work more efficiently. For culinary students, learning how to measure ingredients properly is a basic but essential skill. By understanding grams, liters, and teaspoons, students can follow recipes confidently and produce better results in the kitchen. Accurate measurement is one of the first steps to becoming a professional chef.